Hi Mama. Today I want to teach you something that will make your baby's naps and nights so much easier. And honestly, this is one skill that changes everything. Identifying early sleep cues. Most parents wait until their baby is fussy or crying to put them down. But by that time, the baby is already overtired and sleep becomes harder. So today, I'll help you understand the subtle early signs that your baby is getting sleepy, the little signals that happen before the crying and that fussiness. Let's break it down into 3 stages. Stage 1. Early sleep cues, the ones we want to catch. These are super gentle but easy to miss signs. Staring into space, losing interest in play, looking away from you, those reddish eyebrows, soft fussing but not crying, slower movements, slightly quieter than usual, gentle rubbing of their eyes or ears, yawning sometimes. These are your golden cues. When you catch these, babies fall asleep much faster and with almost no resistance. If you respond here by starting those calming routines, your baby stays regulated, relaxed and settles beautifully. Next, we come to the active sleep cues. Your baby is getting tired, which means if you miss the early cues, you will then see rubbing their face more intensely, kicking or flailing their arms, arching slightly, irritable, fussing and harder to engage. This means your baby is tired but not yet overtired. You still have time, but you need to act quickly. Start your nap routines immediately. Then comes when it's too late, and then they appear the late sleep cues. Your baby is overtired. These are the cues we want to avoid reaching. Your baby is already crying loudly, back is arching, body becomes stiff, turning away dramatically, harder to soothe and short naps once they finally sleep. Once your baby reaches this stage, cortisol is high and sleep becomes much harder. This is when babies fight naps, wake up after every 20 minutes or wake up more at night. So, how do you use this information? Simple. Watch for early cues and start calming early. Watch for active cues. Start nap routines immediately. Avoid late cues entirely. The earlier you respond, the easier the nap. You'll feel like you suddenly have a baby who sleeps better. But really, you're just catching the right moment. Here's a quick tip for newborns. Early sleep cues can appear very fast, often within 35 to 45 minutes of wake time. So keep your baby close and observe their eyes, face and body language. Today's task, spot 3 early sleep cues. Your task is very simple. Watch your baby during one awake window and try to spot at least 3 of those cues such as staring, looking away, reddish eyebrows, slowing down, soft fussing, eye rubbing or losing interest in play. The moment you see the first cue, start calming them. At the second cue, begin your mini nap routines. After the nap, 3 things. 1. The 3 cues you noticed. 2. How easily your baby fell asleep. And 3. Whether catching the early cues made settling in smoother.